Hi, and welcome to At Your Pace Online's continuing education class for air conditioning, refrigeration, or ACR professionals. My name is Dan Whaley. Part of your license renewal requirements are to complete 8 hours of continuing education per year. At least one of those 8 total hours must cover Texas laws and rules regulating conduct for ACR contractors. As of October 2020, the TDLR recognized about 17,000 licensed ACR contractors along with over 26,000 registered and about 5,000 certified technicians. There are more than 48,000 ACR professionals in the state. According to the U.S. Department of Labor, Texas has the third most HVAC technicians and installers of any state behind Florida and California. The year 2020 was more challenging and intense than any other, both for the state of Texas and for the ACR professionals. The pandemic hit Texas hard and brought with it a few new awarenesses of the role of ventilation systems in maintaining the health and well-being of occupants. Our rules in HVAC include how to provide safe circulation of air during health emergencies, if not at all other times as well. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, TDLR exam sites were closed in March and reopened in May with limited capacity, but with additional 14 sites, bringing the total number of written exam sites to 37. The TDLR also approved that in-person continuing education could be taken online. The TDLR also waived continuing education requirements for licenses expiring in March, April, and May 2020. Licensees still needed to submit their renewal applications, pay the required fees, and pass a criminal history check. Continuing education was considered complete for this license cycle only those whose licenses were due for renewal from March through May 2020. Remember, though, that the TDLR doesn't have the authority to waive continuing education requirements imposed by other certifying or credentialing entities. If those entities require continuing education to maintain certification, and certification is required for Texas licensure, then that continuing education must be completed. For those of you who were able to renew during 2020 without completing any CE hours, this class can serve as your CE credits for the next renewal cycle. This class fulfills the 1 hour of rules and laws needed to renew your license. It's designed as part of an 8-hour package approved by the TDLR for license renewal. This class will focus on recent changes to laws and rules, including things like the adoption of a new set of building and HVAC codes for the state, followed by a brief survey of how HVAC has risen to the challenges of COVID-19 and other infectious diseases. It will finish with a look at changes to the 2018 Uniform Plumbing Code, one of the 2 statewide plumbing codes used in Texas.